Alright, while I'm waiting for my headset to charge, I'm gonna do some work on my VR Endless Rooms in the medieval dungeon. Yeah. So I'll just boot that up. Should probably fix the bottom of that room. Alright, let's crack into it. So I want to make a second room as well. But before we do that, let's just see if we can fix this. What's the start? Nothing. Or maybe we can just delete that. Okay. Shut up. Fucking annoying. I think that was my headset telling me that it's charged. So maybe we can do some VR in a minute. Shut up, you fucking dog. So annoying. Find someone who cares. Fuck off. Yeah, that's better. Look at that. Alright, let's add a second room to this bad boy. So we got this big base. Lots of different rooms in here. Maybe we should get something like this section here going. I quite like this. Oh, is that a dead end? Oh, interesting. Okay, well anyway. Save it as... Probably save it over that. Huh. Okay. I don't think we need this. Cool. Now we just have to go through the hectic process of deleting everything else again so that we've got this nice corridor. Oh, that actually looks quite good just there, doesn't it? If I just get this big long boy. Yeah, I actually quite like that. I wonder if it'd be easier to actually, rather than delete everything else, if I could just select everything in here and then just move it to a new level. Yeah, I mean, probably a more sustainable way to do this would be to just rebuild everything yourself, but who can be fucked doing that, honestly? Oh, it actually doesn't look that complicated. Oh, well, anyway, what if we go save as MD02 template, maybe? How am I going to do this? I like all of this stuff, like this whole section here. So I kind of want to like, maybe I need to delete that again. Sorry. Delete. And now, so this one here is I might take all of these pieces bit by bit. So if I go like that, and then can I move what? I don't want to save shit. Foliage type. Did that work or what? Weird. Did like all the pots not get moved or something? Yeah, this actually might be a winning strategy. I feel like this is better than the alternative. Yeah, I want this whole, like, bottom floor. Oh, so they're all a foliage type. Right, that's weird. Yeah, I think I might just have to manually go. Oh, what do I do? Do I fucking create it or what? Fine. No, we don't need any of this. Yeah, I think all that's fine. So I'm just trying to move everything over bit by bit, you know? Why are you all still selected for? Ugh, losers. Alright, did we get it all? I think we got it alright. Let's have a look. So there's a bunch of foliage up the top, which I don't really want, but it's not going to kill me if it's out there, I suppose. No, it probably will actually. So I might delete it. Now, the lighting looks all fucking weird. So... is that because we're missing these? Like... it's a pretty dumb way to do shadows. But fucking whatever. If that's how they've set it up and it saves me doing it, then I don't give a fuck. So this is a dead end. Fine. And then this way we can add a few more artificial doors. Now that's heading up to this one, which actually we want to delete, so... oh, I forgot to enable that. Does this look fine? No. Oh, you fucking... that's literally... God, this is so dumb. You good, bruh? Fine. Cool? You cool? What's this? Oh, so that's the entrance. Okay. So we're gonna need another one there. And just here. I got a nosebleed. It's been bleeding for like fucking 48 hours. No, that's the wrong thing, isn't it? We want a door slot. Facing inwards, and then can I give it a template class? Door demo. It's called endless. Yeah, like that. How does that look? Does that look reasonable? What do we think? Personally, I'm more partial to that. It's clutch. Alright. Now, I don't think I can have another one there, because that's another leading edge. So that needs to be there like that. That's fine. Maybe we can do one here somewhere, unless this is all just one big room. I could replace this wall with one. He's cool though. I quite like him. Oh well, I guess we'll just have a dead end. Fuck it. And then all the way over this end. Where's the other door? Okay, so that's one on that side. We'll put one on this side just here. Oh yeah. You got some bullshit going on down there. Replace with door slot. Facing inward. Add the endless door. We've got a bit of missing floor going on. Maybe I will just copy you over. Oh yeah, like that. That fixes it. Okay. Now, that's the dead end. That's one. Could probably add one here. What do you think? Wouldn't hurt, would it? What the fuck? Was this low and I didn't even realise? I don't know. Looks fine. I don't know. I suppose that's the other question. We don't really need doors everywhere, do we? Just leave that how it is. We can just have 2 doors, it's fine. Oh, nah, fuck it. I want to get rid of this one. I want to give him a 3rd option. Oops. And just delete this bullshit behind it. That looks really nice, actually. I really like that. Okay, now the last thing I need to do is just add the local room manager. Wow, is that the center? Yikes. It's making me a bit nervous. So how many rooms have we got? Oh, that one's not going to work there. Because it's not a connecting edge, so I might have to put it on that side. Is this even gonna fucking work? Oh yeah, maybe. Seems okay. How's that? I think that looks alright if you ask me. Yep. Okay, cool. Fuck's sake, I don't know how this point of focus shit works. I think that it's broken on the shortcut. But then if I launch it like this, it magically works. What the fuck is the matter with this computer? Okay, just so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, now. So 1,400 and plus 7950 divided by 2 equals 4675. So that needs to be the x of this. 4675. You want to put it right in the middle. And then this one here is negative on the y. Fucking clear your dog. Negative 5100. And then the wall on this side is negative 100. Excuse me. How do you do a minus? Fucking hell, how does this dumb shit work? Ugh, fuck me in the ass. Why is this calculator so fucking hard to use? Okay. Clear your dog. And then I suppose you wanna... is that even the right number? Yeah, 5100. And then I guess you wanna add negative 100? Or take it away. God, I don't know. Is there 5,000 units of difference between these? God, I can't do maths anymore, man. Maybe this is a better way to do it. Yeah, so there's 5,000 units of difference. So I guess you wanna... I think you want to take away 100. So we get that, and then we divide that by 2. Yeah, and then we get negative 2,600. So yeah, so that's the spot just there. And then the room bounds, we could probably just eyeball that. 3,300 or 3,250 or fucking hell. 3,275. Yikes. And if I've done my math correctly, then the other one should be fine as well. Yeah. Now, the other one on the top, I wonder what that'll be. 2,500, yeah, because it should be 5,000 difference. Yeah, but then just the location was offset by like 50 or something. Okay, so that's the bounds. Bit of work to get it flush, isn't it? Now, some of this is quite tall. So we might as well, we'll make it flush. I think that looks pretty good. Nah, a bit taller. Yeah, something like that. Alright. So now in here we just need to add the interface. Get room references. Get the local room manager. Plug that in. And then all the doors should be set up. So now we just have to give it MD02. Starting room. Room 1. Room 1. Room 2. still got the doors there, but now we've got the second type of room spawned in. And it looks like the shadows are a little bit fucked on that room, but I can fix that in a minute. So we're running. And this would have been the dead end. Now we get another crypt. That's good. And then we'll go this way this time. Yeah. Another one. Now we get the first room with the jail and that. Yeah, and the stairs. Pretty cool. Oh, and no room would fit in that one there. Yeah, because they're quite big. So that makes sense. So actually what we need is like a long hallway type of room. I wonder if we can quickly make one of those. Like, oh, well, this one here I think I need to fix anyway because all the shadows are all fucked. I think it was this one here. Anyway, so if I were to create a duplicate of this and add it in, now we should be able to just create like a simple hallway somewhere. Which part do you reckon we want? Or which one will be the easiest to copy? Maybe that bit there. So I might just that looks pretty good, I think. We got that one there. I wonder if I can also add one on the other side. Like if we were to delete this wall, for example. But maybe make it optional. So we could go like, So we need these on the sides, yeah. Oh, that still looks wonky. Why is it like concaved like that? That's weird. What is that? Is this just like a weird floor or something? Why is it bent? Concaved? Ugh. They all concaved. Huh. Gross. Yuck. Why'd they do it like that? It's yucky. Anyway. Right. Why are these so intense all of a sudden? Looks different without the original lighting, hey? Anyway, where's our local room manager? So again, take the average of the locations. So what's this one? 7. Fuck off. 7950. Added to. I feel like you're off actually. um 7950 take away 2,900 2,500. That's not right. $7,900 plus 2,500 divided by 2, 5,200, yeah. And then the bounds would be like 2,700? No, this is wrong. Fuck's sake. Where'd we go wrong? 2,900 and 7,900. Did I type in something wrong? 2,900 plus 7,900 divided by 2 is 5,400. Alright. Okay. And then the other one. I don't know, you could probably eyeball this, it doesn't really matter. Yep, looks like it encompasses it. Great. Now, the reference for that is already set up, so I think we're all good to generate. Actually, I needed that open. The info, was it? Level info. Wrong one. So starting room. Did we just get a hallway already? Yep, and nothing fits in that one. That's unreal. Where am I? Here. Am I trying to go that way? Ugh, why is all that shit still in the sky for? Nah, surely one of the long rooms should have fit there. Oh no, because this is on the wrong edge. Yeah, we're gonna have a bit of a problem here, I think. So this can all go. Now the issue is, yeah, this one's fine on this edge, but because this here will collide with that, if a room's here, we actually need to extend this out. So we'd actually have to put this out to the edge like that and do a similar thing that we did here. So we can take all the floor and these things. Is that fine? Looks okay. Wouldn't say it's perfect, but yeah, looks reasonable. Maybe we went too close. Oh well. But now I think if I were to, yeah, now we can bring this in a bit. We might want to actually do the bounds properly this time. So the difference between the two is 350 plus hang on, was it negative 350? No, just 350. Plus negative 105. What the fuck? Oh, you fucking annoying. 1050 take away 350. How about we do that? And then we divide that by 2 is 350 again. What? Is that just a coincidence? Wow. No, it's incorrect because that's literally at 350 already. So what are you? 350 and 1050. So we should go 1050 take away 350 is 700. Yeah. Unless I got my math wrong. Probably. How did I get it wrong? Are we meant to go 1050 plus 350 and then divide that by 2 for 700? No, that can't be right. I don't know, but I can just manually fucking do it like this anyway. Go away, you fucking dog. Yeah, that looks flush anyway. No, it looks like it might overlap with the crypt a little bit, but whatever. I could bring it out further, but you're not really going to see the collision anyway. Well, you might, but who cares? I'm sort of sick of dealing with it at this point. What am I doing? Like this. Right, let's jump in and play. Alright, we're going up. Long hole. Yeah, this is our new room. Yeah. looking good. We're going up. The shadows are all fucking retarded. Yeah, I like it, man. I might put my character into first person. Just I feel like yeah, it's looking good, but I think it would look better with a first person character, so I might go to the plugin. I'll just edit the plugin. Demo third person template character. Where's my blueprint? Lol. Use controller rotation your I reckon that's looking excellent. Now the last thing that I want to do to edit it is just I'm gonna so the rest of this video is going to be me editing the doors so that they open outward rather than sliding. So if you just came for the level design, you can leave now. This is the door blueprint. Oh boy, what the fuck did I just do? Okay, where's my timeline? Open and close the door, set door positions. Oh yeah. I feel like I should get the relative transform at begin play. So that I don't have to set it, like I don't know why. Why did I have that? Transform. I might actually even just delete these. actually do door 01 closed transform. Okay, and then the opened ones. I feel like what we actually need now is no. So this is the closed transform and the closed rotation. And the open transform. So we're looping between the closed and the open, according to the alpha. And taking the shortest path. Just hitting F7. Okay, now for door 2 it's the exact same thing. Why are there 2 alphas? Yeah. That should do it. And then this one here will be exactly the same. Except get SN door 2 and then get close transform and open transform. Okay. And then setting door transforms, feeding at the alpha. Great. And now I think the closed relatives are fine. Now the open ones, by default it's 149 and probably negative 149, yeah. So we can probably delete. Oh no, because you'll be used in the you'll be used here as well. So set door transform. Is the door open, then it should be 1. I'm pretty sure that just converts it to a 0 or 1, so that would actually just work like that. That's actually really, really nice and easy. And then do the same for the other one. Door 2, and then the alpha, same deal. Yep, and then this is collision. I don't really need that. Okay. The open transform. They're set at begin play, and then the open ones were. Fuck, was it on the X or the Y? Let's have a look. The doors, it's on the Y, so. Open transform for door number 1. Will be positive 149, yeah. For door number 1, will be positive 149. And this one here will be negative 149. Now let's just make sure that all that works as it is. So this should theoretically do the exact same thing that it did before, but with a more powerful system. Okay, that didn't work. Why? Oh, because they have Z values. So the open door transform and the closed door transform. Fucking hell, mate. That's ridiculous. What happened to the scale? The scale got all set all funny as well. Set relative location and rotation. God, I hate this shit. So now they both That was weird. What's up with that? They both slid over to the right. I'm getting the relative transform. Yeah, it's the open ones that are problematic. One of them's positive, one of them's negative. So open, closed and open. Closed, closed, open, open. Yeah, I don't get it. Fucking annoying. But the final location is proper. That's the bit that I don't understand. It's ridiculous. So I found the issue. It was just a typo. This should be open transform door 1, not door 2. And then in the this one here, door 1, door 1, door 2, door 2. Yeah, okay. That should fix it. Let's see. Great. Now, I don't like the sound, so why don't we also change the sound? Is that exposed as a public variable? Well, these should both be public, actually. Yeah. Great. Options. BP door. Could I maybe create a child of this? BP door. Parent. BP door. Sliding. BP door. Rotating. So the sliding one is just normal, the rotating one, we can just edit the defaults. So these would just still be, oh well actually, is that going to be that straightforward? What the fuck happened to you? What happened? Did you just get unparented? Yeah, you did. That's interesting. Huh. Fuck's sake. Yeah, this is kind of problematic and a bit annoying, isn't it? Unless I just replace them with large door right and large door left. What the fuck is it? Why is it invisible? What the fuck is going on? What the fuck, dude? You're literally meant to be there. Why are you not showing up, you fucking dog? Whatever, bro. It's actually pretty fucking annoying. It's pretty fucking annoying. Why is your thing hidden? What, you turned off? Ah. Yeah, I think I turned them off actually, so that actually makes sense. Yeah. I wonder if I have like maybe like a starter content door or something. I kind of want to put that in as the rotating default. How am I going to do this? I'll put that into the plugins folder. Just move it here. What do we got? We got assets and blueprints. Oh, they're blueprint assets though, so. Well, it sort of fits in demo, doesn't it? I might put it in here. And then I might also grab yeah, the statue. No, it was glass and door, wasn't it? So I'll grab the door and chuck that into the dimmer and the glass. And chuck that into the dimmer. Oops, that's the wrong one. This one. Yeah. And so now for the sliding door, or the rotating door, we can go door, starter. Oh, you motherfucker. What if I just drag it in? Huh? There you go. Yeah, it's interesting, like they sort of fit already. Like if I sort of cover that across, it's like, oh, you can't actually measure it, but it's 200 units by 200 units, which is fucking dead on. It's perfect. Maybe that should even be the default. Oh no, you don't want it to be glass because you can see through it. So what if I make it like floor or something? Yeah, like that. And then this could even be the default. I think that's actually a better default. So maybe instead of doing it here, I might edit it here and go door. No, because we can't find it there because I got to change my filter. Yeah. Like that. Stretch it a little bit. Yeah. And then it's just a basic mesh. And this is just the standard door material. And then we can use the same door for the other side. Except this time, we want to rotate you. I don't have to update we don't have to update the initial anything, but we will have to update the open door stuff. In this case, I just want to move it out probably, what, 100. Just move it out 100 units. So 199, and this one can just be negative 199. Now the transform, I think the Z on the transform can just be 0 because they're 0 now. And so now, can I actually just refresh this? Yeah. Let's see how that looks. Let's see if that all works correctly. Great. Oh, one of them rotated. Oh, because I guess I started changing the... Oh, no. I know why. Because the open transform of these is both 0, but yeah, the open transform for door 2 should be 180 as well to prevent it from rotating. So this is for a sliding door. Yep, beauty. So the sliding doors work just fine. Now, if we're working with a rotating door, we just have to change some of the defaults. So the closed door transform is the same. The open door transforms are, you leave that at 100, you leave that at negative 100, and then the rotation is just going to be 180, and then this one will just be 0, I suppose, and then let's see what happens. That was for a rotating door, but this dungeon doorway is actually not a child of the rotating door. But can I reparent it to be a child of the rotating door? Yeah. Let's try. Did that work? Yep. I might actually go like, what do you think's a good number? Maybe like 120 and like 60. Oh, no, hang on, because what is it? Negative 180. Negative 180, I don't know, let's just see. Let's just see if it looks alright. Great. And it'd be kind of good if it opened the other way, I reckon. So maybe like let me think about it. So we want it to open inwards, so this is 0 at the moment. So that can go to negative 120, fine. And then this one here can go to positive 300. Okay. Yep, great. And rather than the beep, I think it'd be nice to have a different sound, like even just for the parent, because the beep is like kind of weird. What other noise have we got? I feel like that's good. Oh yeah. No, I like the flashlight click, it's the most simple. I actually reckon that sounds really good. Great, that's excellent. Okay, and now for my doorway, I just want to replace these with door, what was it, door right and door left or some shit. Yeah. And now the rotations, I think will probably be fine. Oh, wait a minute. This one, can we make that door right as well? I wonder if that'll just work properly out of the box. Whoa. No, that's going to cause issues. So door right is fine. Door left. Yeah, we want to rotate you like that. Position you like that. The initial position and rotation are always saved, but now this one we want its final rotation to be the same as the other one. So what, just negative 120, I suppose. No, that's not correct. Negative 240. So that's adding 120. This one's subtracting 120. Maybe I should manually set these as well. So this can be so we'll get the closed transform and then add Can you not just add a transform? Can you transform a transform by a transform? Oh, fuck me in the fucking ass. Door 1. So we got a change transform door 01. And then change transform door 02. So, fuck me in the fucking ass. The open transforms, they can all be 0 as well, because they don't matter anymore, so they're all null. But in this example, if we want a door to slide open, we're gonna move it across by -100. That's door 1. Move it across by -100 and move the other one across by +100. That's it. Now, this is the wrong door, so I don't know if it'll actually work. Looks like they were reversed. Did I get it wrong? Door 2, we want to move across by -100. Yeah. Got them around backwards. That's fine. Great. Really good. Really, really, really good. So now for the rotating doors. Well, what's this? The fucking yeah, the rotating doors. So the rotating doors, it's the same deal. We can set them to default because they don't matter. Now the public down here. We don't want them to move. We just want them to rotate. We want them to rotate inwards. So we're going to move you by -120. That's door 1. We're going to move you by -120 and move the other one by probably +120. So door -120. Oops, wrong spot. And then this one probably by +120 because this is door 2. Yeah, it's moving it by +120. Alright, and then this one here is a child of the rotating door. So let's try. Great. I think they're probably too quick. I might change the default door animation time dilation. In the case of these ones, they just don't look that great because they've got shit behind them. Like they don't, you can see through the motherfuckers. So I just want to fix that up, even though they look really good. I wonder if we've got like a squeaky sound. Like if we go to the yeah, I'd love a nicer sound, but
in the
yeah, whatever. Alright, so now I'm just gonna add some shit behind the doors so they're a little bit more opaque, I suppose. This is just for my personal satisfaction, just for the sake of this project. Maybe I can even just like copy and paste. Oh yeah, that actually might work well. Just put it inside the door. What do you think? Scale it up, drag it across. Fucking hell, mate. How fucking thin are you, bruv? Ugh. Jesus. It's looking pretty good, I think. Yeah, I might, maybe I'll just record a demo quickly. So, inside the, fuck am I doing? Yeah, they're all good. I think the sliding doors probably work fine. The door fill needs to be edited. That's fine. I should check out the demo map in a minute. What's going on with the defaults here? Show debug. I don't think there is, unless I've got the debug just enabled on this one. Yeah, we can turn that off. So, yeah, we completely removed it, which is great. That's exactly what we want. Cool, man. I think that's it. Yeah, I think we're done. Thanks for watching.